The city's glowing red and green, frosty from the winter breeze, and the Rockefeller Center's buzzing. You can feel it in the streets. Well, the toys are running off the shelves, and everyone's thinking of someone else that they love. And I love what that means. 'Cause when days get colder, I'm one step closer to where I want to be. 'Cause there's nothing quite like family, snow outside and a lit up tree. It's my favorite time, I wouldn't want to miss it. I'm coming home to see the look in my mama's eyes, and to help my dad with the Christmas lights. While I'd drive all night no matter what the distance. I'm coming home for Christmas. I'm coming home for Christmas. Santa's working overtime, and the kids can't sleep, at least they're trying. They left milk and cookies by the fire to make sure they get all their presents.